Hey guys, welcome to the shop today. I'm really excited to bring you a really cool project that we're working on. Behind me we got a 1980 27-foot Magnum Starfire. This boat's almost completely original, very low hours boat. The only downside to the old girl is she's been sitting in a warehouse for quite a while. Didn't hurt the boat. It's good that she's out of the sun and out of the elements, but the cushions kind of dry rotted over time, so we got some of the cushions need some attention. The engines, we found a little bit of rust inside, so we're going to rebuild the engines, rebuild transmissions, drives. We've already polished up the body a little bit and re-chromed all the deck hardware. It had a little tarnished everything, so we've re-chromed all that stuff and reinstalled it. Today we're going to pull the rest of the interior out. I've got it on the shop floor. We're getting ready to take it over to Lakeside to have it reupholstered. Love some input from you guys. I'd love to see some opinions on this one. Should we keep it completely original, bone stock engines, interior, gauges, all that stuff? Or should we keep it kind of period correct, maybe change the color combination on the upholstery, keep the same colors, but maybe change the combination or the arrangement of the colors? Also, engines. They're 280 horsepower, 350 cubic Mercury motors. Should we, spice up the camshaft, little headwork, maybe put fuel injection on it, or just change the exhaust, or leave it all stock? It's got cast iron manifolds and points ignition. So we've already got an electronic ignition system for it to give us some reliability and make the boat run nice and smooth and reliable. But should we spice it up a little bit, or should we leave it bone stock? So give me some comments in the comment box below. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and give me a little feedback on this one. I'd be interested to see what people say. So follow me. Next video, we're going to jump in the engine compartment, start getting the rigging all cleaned up. We're gonna sand and paint the bilge, maybe change out the trim pumps and stuff. And clean up a little bit of rigging. Also, we're going to redo the dash. The dash panel's got some cracks in it, so we're going to restore the dash panel. Again, I'm kind of on the fence whether we're doing a standard dash panel look original, or maybe add a nice carbon fiber dash panel and keep the period correct gauges, update the gauges, but keep them black dials with a chrome rim, kind of like the boat was built with. So give me some comments on this. A little feedback would be really helpful on this project. And as always, thanks so much for watching my channel. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks.